Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over the laziest ways teens can make money online. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over the importance of finding the right money-making opportunities, passive income streams for teens, and tips for success in lazy money-making methods. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. The laziest ways teens can make money online. Are you a teenager looking for easy ways to make money online? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we will explore the laziest ways teens can make money without stepping foot outside their room. Whether you're a student with limited time or simply prefer a laid-back approach, these online money-making methods are perfect for you. The importance of finding the right money-making opportunities. When it comes to making money online, it's important to find the right opportunities that align with your interests and skills. As a teenager, your time is valuable, so you want to make sure you're investing it in activities that will yield a return. While there are countless ways to make money online, not all of them are suitable for teens. That's why we've compiled a list of the laziest yet effective methods that you can start implementing today. Passive income streams for teens. Passive income streams are a great way to earn money without putting a lot of effort. These streams allow you to generate income on autopilot, meaning you can make money even while you sleep. For teens, passive income can be a game changer as it provides a steady stream of income without the need for continuous active work. One popular method of passive income for teens is investing in stocks or other financial markets. By doing thorough research and investing in stable companies, you can earn dividends and capitalize on the growth of your investments. Another option is to create and sell digital products such as ebooks or online courses that can be purchased repeatedly without you having to put in additional effort. If you have a talent for writing, you can also consider publishing your own book on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your book is published, you can earn royalties from each sale without having to actively promote it. Online surveys and paid opinion sites. Taking online surveys and participating in paid opinion sites is a simple and easy way for teens to make money online. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback on various products and services. All you need to do is sign up for reputable survey websites and start completing surveys in your spare time. While the earnings from online surveys may not be substantial, they can still add up over time. Plus, it's a great way to share your thoughts and influence the development of new products and services. Just be sure to choose legitimate survey sites and be cautious of any sites that ask for upfront payment or personal information. Creating and selling digital products. If you have a creative side, creating and selling digital products can be a profitable venture. This could include designing graphics, creating stock photos, or even crafting music for use in videos or podcasts. Platforms like Etsy and Fiverr provide a marketplace for you to sell your digital creations to a wide audience. To get started, think about your skills and interests. Are you good at graphic design? Can you create unique and catchy logos? Consider creating a portfolio of your work and promoting it on social media to attract potential buyers. With a bit of effort in the beginning, you can set up automated systems to sell your digital products and earn money passively. Affiliate marketing for teens. Affiliate marketing is a popular method of making money online, and it can be a great option for teens as well. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for each sale you generate. This can be done through various channels such as social media, blogs, or YouTube videos. To start with affiliate marketing, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your interests. Many companies offer affiliate programs so you can choose products or services that you genuinely believe in and would recommend to others. Once you have your affiliate links, you can start promoting them through your chosen channels and earn commissions for every successful referral. Monetizing a YouTube channel or blog. If you enjoy creating content and have a passion for video or writing, consider starting a YouTube channel or blog. This can be an excellent way for teens to make money online while doing something they love. By consistently creating high quality and engaging content, you can attract an audience and monetize your channel or blog through various methods. For YouTube, you can earn money through advertisements that run before or during your videos. Additionally, you can partner with brands for sponsored content or promote your own merchandise to your viewers. It's important to note that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. Similarly, if you prefer writing, starting a blog can be a great way to share your thoughts and expertise with others. You can monetize your blog through display advertising, sponsored posts, or even by selling your own products or services. With dedication and consistent effort, you can turn your blog into a passive income stream. Selling products or services on online marketplaces. If you have items you no longer need or want to sell, online marketplaces provide an easy way to turn your clutter into cash. Platforms like eBay and Depop allow you to sell second-hand items, while platforms like Etsy cater to selling handmade or vintage goods. This is a simple and effective way for teens to make money online without investing too much time or effort. Additionally, if you have a service to offer, online marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to sell your skills to a global audience. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or social media management, there's a demand for various services online. By creating a profile and showcasing your skills, you can attract clients and earn money from the comfort of your own home. Tips for success in lazy money-making methods. While these lazy money-making methods can be lucrative, they still require certain strategies and approaches to maximize your success. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of these opportunities. Set realistic goals. Determine how much money you want to make and set achievable targets. This will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Manage your time effectively. Even though these methods require minimal effort, it's still essential to manage your time wisely. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to work on your money-making activities. Stay organized. Keep track of your earnings, expenses, and deadlines. This will help you stay on top of your finances and ensure you're meeting your obligations. Continuously learn and adapt. The online landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay updated with the latest trends and strategies. Be open to learning new skills and adapting your approach to maximizing your earnings. Conclusion and final thoughts. In conclusion, making money online as a teenager doesn't have to be a complicated or time-consuming process. By exploring the laziest ways to make money online, you can turn your spare time into a profitable endeavor. Whether it's taking paid surveys, creating digital products, or monetizing a YouTube channel, there are plenty of opportunities available for you. Remember to choose methods that align with your interests and skills. And don't be afraid to try out different strategies to find what works best for you. With dedication, consistency, and a bit of laziness, you can start earning money online and take control of your financial future. So embrace your laziness and start your journey to your financial success today. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.